Welcome Tech Titans. Today we are tackling classic tech debate, desktop versus laptop. Choosing the right computer depends on your needs. So let's break it down. Both desktop and laptops offer incredible functionality, but it has its strength and weakness. To help you decide, we'll explore key factors and present a handy comparison table. Now you can see in here, this is our table. You can see the factor and desktop and laptop. We can easily know their differences and power and weakness. In fact, you can see the performance. In performance, desktop are generally more powerful processor and graphic cards demanding tasks like gaming, video editing and 3D rendering. In laptop, limited by size and power consumption, processor might be slightly less powerful. Through high-end laptops can compete with desktop. Upgradeability. Components like CPU, RAM and storage are easily upgradable, extending lifespan. In laptop, upgradability is limited due to space constraints. Some components like RAM might be user upgradable, but other like CPU are typically fixed. Cost. For laptop, generally more affordable for similar performance compared to laptop. Tend to be more expensive due to portability and smaller size. Portability. Stationary and requires to dedicated workspace. Highly portable, ideal for working on the go or in different locations. Ergonomics. More ergonomic setup with option for a larger monitor, external keyboard and mouse for better posture. A smaller screen and keyboard can lead to discomfort for extended use. Consider external accessories for better ergonomics. Energy efficiency. Less energy efficient due to powerful components. More energy efficient due to smaller components and focus on portability. So guys, I hope you understand the difference between desktop and laptop. If you understand this video and learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.